Hi, welcome to Opening Bell on the 10th of September 2020, Thursday. So the futures of the market are looking flat, except for Nasdaq, who is up by 0.2 and the FANGs are up by 0.5%, but it's expected to go flat after openings. The European market, however, shows a different sentiment. The French and the German markets are on the up, but the British FTSE is on the down by 0.68. This is mainly due to the Brexit that's been going on, still an ongoing saga. However, the ECB, Christine Lagarde, is having a huge meeting with the board over the whole European Union on the issue about high euros. What are they going to do about high euros, which may impact their financial market? So it's something to watch out for today. And then next is I'm going to go for 3 stocks in focus in this session today. First stock in focus, Slack. I've released a video about Slack because Slack dropped up to 18% and it recovered to almost 13% at closing bell last night. So one of the key reasons for Slack's downfall is because ARK Investments ETF has dumped at least 3/4 of their ARKs just before earnings, which caused the decline in the stock. And rumors on Twitter saying the ARK are rebuying back into Slack in the next couple of days. So we have to watch for you, those Slack investors. Secondly, I would like to speak about the best stock today, Games Workshop. They rise by 18% as high and now hovering about 13% on a single day, mainly because of 3 months excellent sales. Who's Games Workshop? They're all minifigurines, a lot of the ring figurines that they paint on. And with the lockdown, many people have picked up the hobby, and it might be a recovery stock sector because when people go back into shops and normality again, Games Workshop in the UK might pick up momentum. So it's something to watch out for your watch list. And finally, Louis Vuitton MH rejecting the buyout of Tiffany of $16 billion. So this has caused Louis Vuitton to be falling on its knees on its stock share price, mainly because of the tariff between France and the United States, not favoring Louis Vuitton on the sales. So this is something to watch out for those who would like to venture into luxury stock. Is this a buying opportunity or is this an opportunity to wait for it to drop further? So again, something on your watch list for you to monitor if you are a luxury stock fanatic. And finally, the last topic I'd like to speak about is the Japanese market. Has everybody forgot about the Japanese market except for one man, Warren Buffett? Yes, a week ago, Warren Buffett invested in 4 industrial companies, including Toshiba. Japanese market, remember, they were supposed to have the Olympics. It was supposed to be the boom year for Japan. However, COVID-19 has taken it away from them. But with Warren Buffett buying Japanese stocks, it shows one thing: value and growth. Japanese markets have always been fairly valued. Let me throw a few examples to you. Look at Nintendo. You know Nintendo, it's gone up. Look at Sony. Sony has jumped up quite a fair bit. And you likes of Squaresoft, you've got the likes of SoftBank, and furthermore like Shiseido and Kao. There are loads of Japanese undervalued stocks out there. So keep an eye out. And homework for you, I want you to leave a comment below if you know any good Japanese stocks, Japanese ETF that you like to share with other audience. But I personally do not favor Japanese car manufacturer. Low margin, low sales, low growth, with the rise of EV and Tesla. Please, I would suggest avoid Japanese car stocks. So this is me on the opening bell on the 10th of September. Have a good day and I'll see you back in the closing bell tonight. See ya.